and Zinnia Wormwood lived in a very nice house in a very nice neighborhood, but they were not really very nice people.
Hello.
We don't give money, we don't like charities, and we don't buy raffle tickets.
I'm sure you're aware by now that Matilda has a brilliant mind.
Yeah, right.
Listen, you little wiseacre. I'm smart, you're dumb. I'm big, you're small.
Same rights, you were wrong.
No kid likes being yelled at, but it was precisely Harry's ranting and raving that gave Matilda the key to her power. To unlock that power, all she had to do was practice.